Okay, so this is day 3 of graphing systems of equations and finding the solution, whether it's one solution, which means they intersect at one point, whether it's no solution, which means they are parallel, and then infinite solutions, which means they are the exact same line. So they would have overlapping equations. So, it's a little off on this one. If I look at number 1, we are going to make sure that they are in slope-intercept form. So for this first one, we are going to subtract x. So I have negative 3y equals negative x minus 9. Divide by negative 3. So y equals negative 1 over negative 3 is 1 over 3x. Negative 9 over negative 3 is negative or positive 3. The second one is subtract x first. So I have negative y equals negative x minus 1. Divide everything by negative 1. So y equals x plus 1. If I were to graph it, hopefully this will work because it looks like it got cut off. But if I were to graph it, it would start at the y-intercept of 3, and I would go up 1, right 3, up 1, right 3, down 1, left 3, down 1, left 3, and graph. The second equation starts at 1 on the y-axis, and I'm going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, and notice that they do overlap at this point right here. But if I continue, I go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. And so we figure out what this point of intersection is. So starting at the origin, it is right 3, up 4. So 3, 4 is my point of intersection. That is my solution. Number 2, we first make sure that they are in slope-intercept form. So this first one is negative y equals negative x minus 4. Divide everything by negative 1. So y equals positive x plus 4. The second one, I solve for y, so I add 3x to both sides. So 3y equals 3x minus 6. Divide everything by 3. So y equals x. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. I graph both of them. So the first one I'm going to graph at positive 4 on the y-axis, and then my slope is 1 over 1. So I'm going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, down 1, left 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 1. On the right side, I'm going to go down 2. Start at negative 2 on the y-axis, and I'm going to go up 1, right 1, 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 down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. Notice that I did have the same slope on both equations, which makes them parallel, which means this is no solution. They do not intersect. Number 3, I'm going to first convert to slope-intercept form. So this first one, I'm going to subtract x. So I have 3y equals negative x plus 6. Divide everything by 3, so y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. The second one, I'm going to add 2x to both sides, so I have negative 6y equals 2x minus 12. Divide everything by negative 6, so y equals 2 over negative 6 is 1/3 x. Negative 12 over negative 6 is, that's negative 1/3 x. Negative 12 over negative 6 is positive 2. If I graph the first equation, it starts at positive 2 on the y-axis. I'm going to go down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3, up 1, left 3, up 1, left 3. If I look at the second equation, it is exactly the same, which means it would be the exact same line. They'd overlap, which makes this infinite solutions. Okay. If we practice a few more, number 4, the first one's already in slope-intercept form, so we don't have to convert that one. We do have to convert the second one, so we're going to subtract 2x to both sides. So y equals negative 2x plus 4. My first graph equation says start at negative 3 on the y-axis, and I'm going to go up 1, right 3, up 1, right 3, down 1, left 3, down 1, left 3. My second equation says I start at positive 4, and I'm going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Notice that they did overlap at this point right here. And the coordinate of this point is if I start at the origin, I go right 3, down 2, so that's positive 3, negative 2. Number 5, I first convert to slope-intercept form, so I'm going to subtract 2x. So I have y equals negative 2x minus 1. On the right side, this one's kind of in a strange form, but to get y by itself, we're going to add 15 to both sides. So 3y equals 3x plus 15. Divide everything by 3, so y equals 3 over 3 is 1x, 15 over 3 is positive 5. If I start graphing this first equation, it starts at negative 1 on the y-axis. I'm going to go down to right 1, down to right 1, up to left 1, up to left 1, up to left 1. And there's my graph. The second one wants me to start at positive 5 on the y-axis. I'm going to go up 1, right 1. And when I can't do that, I go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. There's where they overlap. Down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. And they intersect at that point. If I start at the origin, that coordinate is left 2, up 3. So that's negative 2, positive 3. The last one, first I want to convert to slope-intercept form. So I'm going to add x to both sides. So I have 2y equals x minus 2. Gonna divide everything by 2, so y equals 1/2 x. Negative 2 over negative 2 is negative 1. The right side, the only thing to do is divide by 4, so I'm gonna divide everything by 4. So y equals 2 over 4 simplifies to 1 over 2x, and negative 4 over 4 simplifies to negative 1. So if I start graphing, they want me to start at negative 1 on the y-axis, and they want me to go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. If you notice, the second equation is exactly the same, which means they would be the exact same line, they'd overlap. So this would be my infinite or my all reals for that one. So 3 types of equations, 1 solution, no solution, or infinite solution.